Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Dell Chromebook 11 3100, widely recognized as the best Chromebook 3100 for education. This Chromebook is designed specifically with students and educational environments in mind, combining durability, efficiency, and a simple user experience. Starting with the design, the Dell Chromebook 11 3100 features a compact 11.6-inch screen with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, providing clear and vibrant visuals suitable for everyday schoolwork and online learning. Its lightweight build, weighing just about 1.2 pounds, makes it easy to carry around for students moving between classes or working from home. Under the hood, it runs on an Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor clocked at 1.1 GHz. While it's not the most powerful chip out there, it offers enough processing capability for basic productivity tasks, web browsing, and running Chrome OS apps smoothly. The 4 GB of DDR RAM ensures decent multitasking without slowing down too much when switching between tabs or applications. The Dell Chromebook 11 3100 comes with 16 GB of flash storage. Though that might sound limited, Chrome OS is cloud-centric, so most files and apps are stored online, keeping the device lightweight and fast. It's perfect for users who primarily use Google Drive, Google Docs, and other cloud-based applications. One of the standout features of this Chromebook is its impressive battery life. It can last up to 14 hours on a single charge, which means students can get through a full day of classes and homework without worrying about plugging in. This long-lasting battery is a major plus for those who need a reliable device on the go. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and 2 USB 3.0 ports, allowing users to connect external devices like headphones, keyboards, or flash drives easily. The Chromebook also supports Wi-Fi, enabling fast internet access for streaming educational videos or participating in virtual classes. Graphics are handled by integrated Intel HD graphics, which is sufficient for casual use and video playback but isn't designed for heavy gaming or graphics-intensive applications. The device runs on Chrome OS, known for its simplicity and security, and it offers automatic updates to keep the system optimized and safe. The Dell Chromebook 11 3100 is built with education in mind, featuring a rugged chassis designed to withstand accidental drops and rough handling. Its keyboard is spill-resistant, adding an extra layer of protection, which is ideal for younger users and busy classrooms. Overall, this Chromebook is a dependable and affordable option for students and educators who need a straightforward, portable, and durable device for school-related tasks. If you're looking for a reliable Chromebook that balances performance, portability, and battery life, the Dell Chromebook 11 3100 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.